Hello everybody. Here we're going to continue some of our geometric constructions and we'll do the final type of triangle. Now we're looking at a scalene triangle. So with the equilateral triangle we had 3 equal sides. The isosceles triangle we had 2 equal sides. And with the scalene triangle we have exactly 0 equal sides. Okay? And so that actually makes it quite simple to do a construction. So as with the other examples, I've just made a 10 centimeter line for the base of our triangle as it is. And honestly, I can just put a point anywhere above that line, here for example, and then we can now label this triangle A, B, and C. And using the pencil, I'll finish the sides. Side AC and side BC. So here we have created a scalene triangle. We have a base of 10 centimeters. And then our side AC measures out at 5.2 maybe? 5 centimeters and 2 millimeters. And then line BC is 7.5 centimeters, so 7 centimeters and 5 millimeters. Okay, so these are our triangles by side. Scalene having no equal sides, you can put a point anywhere you'd like above the base and then just connect your 2 lines and you'll have a scalene triangle. And then just go through and measure to make sure that they are not equal. Voila. Now another way to identify a scalene triangle is by its angles. In this particular creation, we had a acute angled scalene triangle. It's an acute angled scalene triangle because when I measure angle A, we see that it's at 45 degrees. When I measure angle B, we see it measures at 30 degrees. And then if I flip over here and I measure angle C, well, that one's an obtuse angle. So that one's measuring at about 101 degrees. And so we could say, because the majority of the angles are acute, that this is an acute angled scalene triangle. And you have one obtuse angle there. With the previous example of the isosceles triangle, those were also acute angled sides because they had measured less than 90 degrees. There's 2 methods of identifying your triangles. You can identify them by their side, as we've discussed with these 3 constructions, and you can also identify them by their side and angle by identifying if it's acute or obtuse. So, for scalene triangles, I'd like you to try some explorations on some paper, changing the base and finding different places to put your 3rd point in order to correct and connect your scalene triangles. So, have fun with your creations.